Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use Google Vids for creating and edit the videos. So guys, Google Vids is one of the best AI that helps to create your videos. For this, first of all, open your Google Vids, then go to its official website. Okay, so it provide the multiple ways that you can create the videos, like text to videos, image to videos, and even you create your own character. Okay, so guys, here you see, first of all you need to start creating in which of the mode. So we select the landscape and create AI videos, edit videos, personal avatar, AI avatar, and convert slides, record, upload, and templates. So you choose any of them. So where we create a personal avatar, so you just go here, your face, your voice, and the story, click the option of get started. Okay, then create your personal avatar. Just wait, so it asks you to scan. So if you're comfortable to scan, so you scan your photo and your avatar is ready for edit your images as well as your videos. Okay, and if I go back, it also so guys, now second thing is, guys, edit videos. If you want to transfer your own video with Omni, so you just go here and transfer the video, and here you upload your video less than 10 seconds. And guys, here you see for sample you also add this video. Okay, then if you want to do voiceover, so guys, here you see the option of voiceover. So just click here, and here you can enter the script, and here you describe your all scenes and add the script of your scene, and you can just voice over your things. Okay, for music, here you see for music, and if you want to generate the music, so guys, you also generate, and here you select your length of the music, like 30 seconds clip and full song and complete song. Then image, so basically here you generate your images like AI images. So you describe your idea here like an object in the location in the color. Okay, so you just enter the prompt where here you can generate your own images. And guys, if you want to record this screen and if you want to record the voice, so you just go here and start the camera, and if you have different camera, so guys, you choose from here, and if you are just voiceover, so select the voiceover and start recording. Now guys, here you see that my recording is start, and you click and it asks me to access of the microphone. So just allow and you just start using recording. Okay, for upload the file from your folder, so you just go here, first you close it, then you go here for upload files. Just a second. So guys, this is the way that you can click on the option of upload file. Here it start loading, and here you can, if you have any external files, like if you recorded from your phones files and camera, so you just put here and start editing. Then if you want to put the captions, so guys, you add the option of caption where you easily get the caption, then text, template, and shapes. Okay, so these are the things that you can try in AI videos. So here there is an
I'm going to show you how to go from nose diving.
So you click the option of recreate. Now it is in your project and the prompt is saved. And guys, here if you want to change the image, so you change, otherwise you click the option of go. So it will take few seconds according to your internet speed. And one more thing is, guys, which is more important, this is only available in the premium version. Okay, free version Google Vids, maybe you facing the issues. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.